今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Yes, Hikari. Of course, I'm ready. And I can't wait to talk to everyone today on today's episode of the Social English Podcast. Konnichiwa, minasan. How are you doing? Konbanwa, maybe? It is time for the Social English Podcast. If you are new to the podcast, thanks for showing up. I'm glad you're able to spend some time with me today. If you are a returning listener, a special thanks, and please consider supporting the show by leaving us a donation or support the show at Patreon. But anyway, today, our Social English Podcast focus, the episode today is going to be on a English repair shop episode. I really enjoy doing the English repair shop episodes. The English repair shop episodes let me help you, the Japanese learner out there, by giving you a real example from someone who asked me to help them with their English. Now today, what the person wanted help with, this is a person who asked me, hey, Percy, can you help me with my English? Please help fix my English. And the topic that they're talking about is trying to basically make more English speaking friends to help them study. So that's pretty much what the focus of today's episode is going to be about. But first, I want you to get into your social English mode, social English learning mode. So please listen to my friend Sora Kite Kudasai.
気楽にアメリカ人の友人であるパーシーを招いて落ち着いた雰囲気の中でお気に入りのカフェに座りながら英語を練習して上達しようとしているとします。これからパーシーが今日のトピックについて話しますのでリラックスして聞いてください。
America, the US, one of the main birthplaces of coffee culture from around the world. Seattle, Washington. We are at Anchorhead Coffee, a very famous cafe in Seattle, Washington, where you and I have invited each other to spend some time and talk about English. Please listen to all of the speakers, the local Seattle people having a good time talking to each other. Can you hear this? You and I are having coffee. I'm having a latte, and you maybe a cappuccino and some snacks, because we are going to relax and enjoy our time together as you have asked me to help you with your English. And that is what we're going to do on today's episode. So on today's episode of the Social English Podcast, we are going to have another English repair shop episode where I will fix a real Japanese learner of English just like you. I will fix their English that they have asked me to fix. Today, we're going to talk about friends. Now, usually when we talk about friends, you may be thinking, how do you make friends? From work? From another friend? From high school? Maybe even college. But today, please think about, you want to make friends that are English speakers because you want to ask them to help you study English. Okay? So you need to open up yourself and relax and be inviting so you can make new native English speaker friends. Okay? So today's topic is that. That's what we're going to talk about. Now, how will we do this? We will do this in 3 parts. Part 1, I will give you the wrong English from the Japanese person. Part 2, I will give you the corrected English of their passage, what they asked. And then part 3, I will give you any advice I have and tips on not making these mistakes. And then I will say the correct English version at normal English speed. I want you to listen to the normal English speed, what some people call fast English. I want you to listen so you can learn how to hear English words clearly. Okay, let's start. Here is the Japanese learner of English. Incorrect English. Please listen. Kite kudasai. I'm looking for it because I don't have enough study companions. I would like someone who can call me every day. Okay. Let's pay attention. Please listen one more time. Maybe if you are a intermediate, medium, or advanced, high level Japanese learner of English, maybe you've already have an idea. Maybe you already have some ways to fix these sentences and have them in correct English. Please listen one more time. Kite kudasai. I'm looking for it because I don't have enough study companions. I would like someone who can call me every day. Okay, now, that is the wrong sentence. And let's listen, okay, and let's go over the corrected social English version, the English version I will give you. Now remember, this is social English, this is conversational social English, and then we'll focus on some more. Please listen. 聞いてください. I don't have many, so I'm looking for new study buddies. I'd like to meet someone that can call me every day. Okay. Okay, please listen one more time. I don't have many, so I'm looking for new study buddies. I'd like to meet someone that can call me every day. Okay, so that is the corrected English version. Now, did you correct the English that way, or did you say something different? If you did, it's okay. No problem. There are many ways to express yourself in English correctly. I happen to use the social English version. More social English, more clear, interesting, inviting, and friendly English for social situations. Now, here's my advice. Here's a tip, what we would say a pro tip. Please listen. 聞いてください. Okay, let's talk about some things. If you want to study with others, please don't use the word companions because it sounds strange. Instead, use the phrase study buddy or study buddies. Okay, so let's go over the wrong English sentence with companions and then the right English sentence with study buddies. One more time. I'm looking for it because I don't have enough study companions. Sorry. Let's read that one more time. I don't know what happened with my throat there. Maybe that's okay. Please listen one more time. 聞いてください. This is the wrong, incorrect English. And then listen just the first sentence. Sentence number 1. I'm looking for it because I don't have enough study companions. Here is the correct English. I don't have many, so I'm looking for a new study buddy. Okay? Or, I don't have many, so I'm looking for new study buddies. Okay. Why use study buddies? Why not use companions? Okay. In modern English, in writing and in speaking, especially speaking, when we use the word companions, specifically that word companions, it is used in everyday English to refer to talk about a pet. Your companion being your dog, your companion being your cat, but most of the time in English, without saying any more, if you use the word companions in a sentence or companion, the first image, the English speaker, the English speaking person, the native speaker, you are speaking to, the person you are talking to, especially if they are from an English-speaking country, native, they will think you are talking about a dog. Okay? So even though you said, I'm looking for it because I don't have enough study companions, you said study companions, it still is strange because companions is normally used to talk about a pet, a dog. Okay, so please don't use that word companions. Study companions, say study buddy. So let me give you one more example. Please listen, kite kudasai. I am new to town and I don't know many people. So I'm looking for new companions. I am new to town and I don't know many people. So I'm looking to meet new friends. So we took companions, which was strange and confusing to a native English person, and it sounds like a dog, and we changed it to meet new friends because this is clear. We understand exactly you're talking about, oh, I want to meet new people and make friends. Okay, so please remember that tip for your English. Do not use the word companions. It looks like it's translated correctly, or that's something you learned, or you think maybe you see it in an English dictionary, but don't use that word when you in real life, everyday social English. Okay, please don't forget this. Okay, next, let me say the entire one more time. Let me say the entire passage, the correct English in normal speed. Okay, please listen, kite kudasai. I don't have many, so I'm looking for new study buddies. I'd like to meet someone that can call me every day. One more time. I don't have many, so I'm looking for new study buddies. I'd like to meet someone who can call me every day. Okay, please listen to this episode again and practice on your own and practice the sentences that I said. Please practice and you will get better at your English every day. So we talked about how to talk about meeting new friends and how you want to meet new friends. You'd like to meet new friends. This episode, again, is for medium level to advanced level English students that are learning English. And please listen to the social English component. The social English component today was the word study buddies. Okay? Study buddies, very important. Okay? Especially if you're going to be studying abroad. Well, that is it for today's episode of the Social English Podcast, everyone. Minasan. It was great talking to you today. All right. I'm so happy that you're able to learn a little social English every single day by listening to our podcast. This podcast comes out every other day, and you could go to our website at any single time you want. Okay. So please visit our website at realsocialenglish.com. There you can find many useful things to help you get better. Tips, guides, resources to help you get better at your English so you can be comfortable and confident in your English. Okay? Let's try that. Go to our website. I'm going to let my friend Sora give you some more information. Oh, one last thing. actually, two more things. Please leave a 5-star review. Leave a 5-star review on the platform so that we can get seen by more people that we want to help. Because our mission here is from day one, we want to help you get better and we want to help introduce some social English to you as well. So please leave a 5-star review and follow us or subscribe to this podcast so you will be notified when we drop new episodes so you can listen to them as soon as they are released and published. Okay, so with that being said, Sora's going to take it out. He's going to give you some more information in Japanese. Thank you, everyone, for listening to the Social English Podcast. And I will see you next time. Peace and love.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。リアルソーシャルイングリッシュ .com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただけます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこのショーを作るための支援として$5の寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイトリアルソーシャルイングリッシュ .com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.